Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to use brand maker graphic design that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in the search bar type in brand maker. Alright, here it is, the first one. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the things that you can do with this application. Make your brand identity in minutes. You can create logo, poster, flyer, business cards, brochure, letterhead, and so much more. So these are just one of the examples in here. Easy customize, remove background, precious bundle, custom and ready size, and so much more. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that you can create great looking design projects quickly and easily with ready-made graphic design templates. So the key features available, if you're going to take a look at the about this app, and you should see it here. So the key features, number one is create your brand profile in less than 1 minute. Add logo or create a logo with custom logo maker. Search for graphic design, customize the graphic design. Number 5 is 100+ font styles, add simple text. 6 is huge collection of poster design elements, shapes, icons, stickers, text arts, and so much more. Alright, let's go back and open it. Alright, let's go ahead and skip this part here. Okay, so we're now on the create your profile. This will help you to autofill all the information required in a template. So you just have to fill in the brand name, the slogan, the website, email, your phone, address, contact person, font, and the color you prefer. You may also add your own logo here, as you can see, and add a background, and then you can create it now, or we can just skip this part here and proceed to the next step. Alright, so we are now on the templates area. So these are the ready-made templates that you can use right away. So let's try. If you notice, it's in category. So invitation, presentation, storyboard, photo book, festivals, blog graphics, quotes, and so much more. They even have menu, proposal, invoice, planner, Twitter header, email header, page cover, Facebook cover, YouTube thumbnails, and so much more. So let's go ahead and try the YouTube thumbnails. And let's take a look at some of the. If you tap the view all, you will see more of these options under YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so 5 online ideas, travel. So let's go ahead and try searching our topic, and since we're on the technology, and let's type it in. Tech. Okay, tech. Okay, for technology, these are the available options. Alright, let's go ahead and try to edit this one and allow. So it's currently downloading, and yes, it's done. So all you need to do is customize this graphic or this ready-made template. Instead of this text, you just have to double tap it and edit it. Tap the edit and type in your own logo, your brand name, your company name. It's up to you. I will just type in my YouTube channel, so that's Nonstop Coding Tutorial. Done. And I can drag and drop this anywhere I want. Let me just make the text, let me just make the text smaller so that it will be visible on the screen. Alright, something like that. And you can also delete this one here if you want to, or change the text, rotate, size, color, font. They have fonts as well, shadow if you want to add shadow, style, stroke, and so much more. So just going to skip that part. And images, if you want, you can also add image. Okay, you can take photos of yourself or use your predefined or use your own photos. Save on your computer. Brand kit, you can just tap in here your information. And background, these are the available backgrounds that you can use. As you can see, they have this free backgrounds that you can use depending on your category. So if it's nature, then you can use the nature or YouTube thumbnail like this one or this one. It's up to you. Then you can customize it, rotate it like that. You can zoom in and zoom out, and once you're done, you just have to tap the check mark here at the top. So I'm not going to do that. Let me go back in here. And for this one, you can also rotate this like this. So these are the logo that you can customize. You can erase, you can edit the image. Okay, you can use this. These are the graphics available for you to use. If you want to, you can change that. You can also move it up and down. So you can see if you press this one here, it will move up, move down, left and right. And you can also rotate it, change the size, crop, and change the hue, fill, opacity, and so much more. Let's just say that this is what we want, and so let's just pretend that this is the final result of our work, and I just want to save this now. So just tap the save here at the top right portion, and you will have these options available. The original is 512 by 512, and the HD is 1024 by 1024. So I prefer the HD, and here it is, it's done. So you also have the option to share it to your social media like your Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and so much more. You can even print it if you have a printer nearby. You can also do that. So let me just go back to the home page by tapping this one, and you can create another one if you want to. But that's how easy it is to use this application. I highly recommend this to anyone who wants to create their bio data, create a menu. If you want to create a gift card, codes, YouTube thumbnail, proposal, invoice, planner, Twitter, page cover, and so much more. They even have this t-shirt printer. Okay, let's take a look at this. So they have this, so you can customize your t-shirt printing. Okay, just like that. They have comics, coupon, billboard, roll-up banner, and so much more. So just scroll to the right and you will see more options. And these are the logo. Okay, if you're creating a logo, you don't know where to start, then this app is for you. So rectangle, leaderboard. Okay, these are ads. So you can create ads for your website. You just have to edit the name, edit the text, And let's say, for example, this one, you just have to customize it, change the text. Okay, all right. So again, this brand maker has 1,000 of graphic design templates for creating graphic designs for. So again, this app has thousands of graphic design templates for creating graphic design for brochures, flyers, newsletters, posters, letterhead, and more. You can make stunning brand identity material with the brand maker. So 1,000 plus graphic design. It is very easy to use. Just a few clicks away and you will have your brand or logo created. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I hope that you have learned something. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.